Good day everybody. We've been given a beautiful question. So foremost for this question I will have to draw a triangle. This is a good triangle, a huge one. Now the triangle is ABC and it is given that AB is equal to AC. So that would mean we are dealing with an isosceles triangle. So this means triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle, and then we are given a point inside this triangle, say some point D. Now before I could go to this point, we've been given that angle BAC is equal to 99.4 degrees. So this angle is 99.4 degrees we have been given. So this is the first point, this is the second point, and the third point is D is inside triangle ABC such that if I were to connect, so let me connect this point B with D. This point is D. So the point is also connected with A, and we've been given that BD is equal to DA. So these two sides are equal. Now if this angle is theta, this angle is also going to be theta. Okay, that is for your observation. Now what we have been given is, we've been given that this angle BAD, this theta is 19.7 degrees. This is given. Now what we have to do is, we are expected to find BDC. So this is required. We are asked to find what is BDC. So if I were to take this entire angle to be as y, we need to get the value of y. Simple as that. Now I know this angle 99.4 degrees, right? Now I also know this entire angle. What is this entire angle? That entire angle is going to be 360 minus y, right? And having known that angle, if you take this angle to be as some x, is it possible for me to say that 99.4, so I'm not going to be considering, I'm only going to be considering this huge angle plus this theta plus this angle, this entire angle, which is 360 minus y plus x. This entire sum is equal to 360 degrees, right? That's the equation we can easily obtain. So if I were to cancel this and this, and push y to the other side. So y would be 99.4 plus theta plus x. In other words, if we can find x, this means y is found, right? So this is the equation we would be working on with. Once we get the value of x, we would have easily got the value of y. Okay, so this is the figure given, and these are the informations that have been given. Now what I can do is, I want to reflect this line AB on AD. So if I were to reflect this line AB on AD, I would produce another line on this end, right? Suppose you want to reflect this line on this axis AD, you will produce a line over here, right? So let me draw the line. So this line is reflected on this line, and we are getting a line here. So I'm going to name this line as some x. So how exactly we have got this line? Ax is the reflection of AB upon AD. Now this is theta, so this would also be theta, right? Now if you were to see this axis AD upon which this line AB is reflected, there is a line BD, so we need to reflect that line BD also. So that would mean I will now have another line connecting like this. So this is theta, this will also be theta, and dx, I'm going to write here, dx is the reflection of BD. So this means BD is equal to dx, right? That's an observation. So this is a simple observation that we have got. Now what I wish to do is, I would like to know this angle here, right? So before I could go forward to that angle, now let me just connect these 2 points. Let me connect C with X. Okay, I'm connecting C with X. Okay, now clearly you can see that AB is also, let me write, AB is equal to AX. So AB is equal to AX, but what is AB? Also AB is equal to AC. So this means AB is equal to AX is equal to AC. So these two sides are equal. Okay. Now theta is 19.7. Theta is 19.7, and you got 2 theta. So 2 theta is equal to 7 to the 14, 1 and 38 and 39. This entire angle is 99.4. So I want to find out what is this angle. So therefore 99.4 minus 39.4, you get 60 degrees. So this angle is 60 degrees. Now I just mentioned to you that AX is equal to AC. So these two sides are equal. So that would mean the base angle over here will be the same base angle over here. Already one side is 60. So that would mean this side is 60 and this side is 60. So this means triangle A, this point is X, right? AXC is equilateral. Right? So that is an observation. So all these three sides are going to be equal. So we have got this important information. Now, having got this information, let me go a step further. Now watch here. This angle is theta, this angle is theta. So same base angle is made. Okay, so this point is actually X, right? I have placed X here. So just make sure that this point is X. So if I were to consider ADX, what do you see in ADX? You have the same base angle. To create the same base angle, okay, upon observation of triangle ADX, you have the same base angle. Theta is here, theta is created here. So we see that, what do we see? We see that AD is equal to DX, right? AD is equal to DX. So these two sides are equal. So this would mean, okay, this would mean if I were to consider ADXC, right? If the quadrilateral ADXC is considered, so what do you see there? If we have to consider this quadrilateral, we see that this AD is equal to DX. So these two sides of the quadrilateral, the two adjacent sides, they are equal. Also, I told you that AXC is an equilateral, so XC and CA are equal. Also, XC is equal to CA. These also form the sides of the quadrilateral. This side is equal to this side. Now, this would mean, you know, this is actually the diagonal. You see that? DC. So this would mean the diagonal DC will bisect angle C. So that would mean if this point is X, this entire point will also be X. So this means this is X, this side is X, this entire angle is 60 degrees. So 2X, how do we get 2X? X plus X is equal to 60 degrees. So this would mean X is equal to 30 degrees, right? X is 30. So take X and you place it here. So if I were to take this as 1, therefore 1 is going to be Y is equal to 99.4, theta is 19.7, X is 30 degrees. So 7, 11, 1, 10, 19, 1, 10, and you have 30 should have been here, right? So 7, 11, 1, 10, 9, right? 19 you carry 1 here, 10 and 11 and 3, that's 14. So therefore the value of Y is 149.1 degrees, right? That is the value of Y. So this is a beautiful question, and I hope you all have enjoyed this question. If you have any concerns or any questions, please put them in the comment box. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also if you have any suggestions you can also let me know, and kindly watch the next video and better your geometry skills. The more geometry you know, the more power you have. Thank you everybody, enjoy your day.